Hello, I'm Lucy. This is the horizontal feeding for a station machine. So you can see we can push the bag in the bag sled, and we should leave 1 to 2 mm gap around the punches into the bag sled. So we should adjust the bag wise and the bag legs. This is for adjust the bag legs like this. And this is for adjust the bed wise, like this. And these 4 screws is for adjust whole back sled to forth and back. And this is all for the vertical feeding for a station machine.